What's going on, y'all, and welcome back to a new edition of the 1216 podcast reaction section. As you can see by the title, we are getting back into Chainsaw Man. Last we checked in, last week, it was basically like a planned assassination attempt, essentially, something like that. You know, a coordinated strike, basically. Between whoever this group is who's following like the gun devil and then the devil hunters. So you get to see I believe it's the grandson of the guy from like the first episode who was basically making Denji slave away and everything. So he's able to transform just like Denji is. Instead of fucking chainsaws, though, he transforms into like swords. So he has a sword on his head and both his arms are swords. Then you got to deal with the other chick who's on the roof with him, who basically like revives him after he gets wrecked, and all the other demons and devils and all that kind of stuff. The ones who have contracts, even Power being a fiend, like they're like, hey, I can't do nothing. We can't do nothing against her. We can't do nothing in this situation, just because she's like overpowered or something. So I'm assuming. We'll find out more about her as the show as episodes and whatnot go on, to see like why she's such a huge threat, how the gun devil got people to like work under him and everything. So, a lot of questions that we have. Again, RIP to Himena Senpai from last week's episode. Like, I'm still, it's a whole week gone by and I'm still hurt by that because I was really, really growing to like her character. But yeah, that's kind of where we left off with everything. Makima got knocked, popped in the head. I saw she was trending on Twitter, but even last week I said I figured she wasn't gonna be dead. She has some kind of role, something to play in the story as far as her and Denji and I'm guessing what she knows about Denji from that whole drinking thing and everything. Everybody trying to find out the secret and whatnot. So, we will find out slowly. I'm guessing slowly but surely. You know how anime is. You don't necessarily get it like all right there. You know what I mean? It's kind of a slow burn. The info comes when it's supposed to come, and it'll make sense when it comes and everything. So I'm not rushing anything. I'm just curious about it because, like I said, I have no clue. Haven't read, don't know anybody. I know one person who's read, and he said it does get crazier. This season is gonna get crazier, and I could kind of see that just based off of last week's episode. So, without further ado, y'all, let's cut the chatting and let's go ahead get in the Chainsaw Man. I don't like how she kind of looks like Denji. She looks like a girl version of Denji. You could cry for me. Bruh.
目的はチェンソーの心臓だ。追わなくていい。
Oh wow. Let's get it. With her last move, she woke Denji up. Good luck with that. Man, I don't either, Denji. Facts, Denji. Let's get the work, Denji. I get to cut him up. Uh-huh. Let's get it. Yes! Let's get it! Oh man. Man, bro. Why don't you just kill him? He don't care. They don't care. They don't care. They not like us. He finna charge your ass, did you? He finna charge! He finna charge! You fool, you fool. Behind you, you're 6. What the fuck? Oh, he hurt too. I knew it. Told you. I knew it. I don't know what she got, but she got some kind of power ability contract with some devil or something. Oh, she took them all out.
新幹線内で銃撃にあった。死体があるから片付けさせて。会食は中止。
東京でも銃撃が。マキマさん、その血は
どこか撃たれましたか？これは返り血。私は撃たれなかった。
Bro, we literally saw you got capped in your head.
おそらく敵の目的はデンジ君だ。ここで対応しよう。黒瀬君、法務省から終身刑以上の犯罪者を30人ほど借りてきて。
What?
天道ちゃん、近くにあるできるだけ標高が高い神社を一つ貸し切って。あと私の着替えもお願いします。
急げ。しばらく俺はもう戦えねえぞ。
お前も手伝え。はいはいはいはい。そっち持て。
どこ持ちゃいいんだよ。
おいおい、持てよ。
なんかなんだこれ。
テンパってんじゃねえ。持て。
おい、 なんか変な感じだ。
ああ、
変な感じってどういう。
Dog, what the hell is going on with this show?
いい班 C 班に再度マキマの死亡を確認させろ。
こちら E 班、こちら E 班。さっきから C 班との連絡が取れないんだ。
Oh my god! Does she control like crows or something? What the fuck is going on? I told you! I knew she had a contract with something, bro.
なんで俺たちも目隠しを？
マキマさんは内閣官房長官直属のデビルハンターよ。一階のデビルハンターやと契約している悪魔を知ることは許されない。
三島修造と言いなさい。
三島修造。さっさとチェーンソー運べ。はい。
How does she know their names though?
おい、車に運べ。おい、聞いてるのか、三島。
Oh my lord. Yeah, that's why I figured she wanted prisoners. Sacrifice them.
井上隆と言いなさい。
井上隆。
I see why Makima was trending. Cause what the fuck, bruh? Running ain't gonna help. She know your name. I don't know how she know y'all names, but she knows y'all names. Crunch. Hey, Serge, y'all all right?
止まった。
Dog. Boy, that's like fucking a death note. You write your name and shit, you die. That's all that can be done. Like, come on now. You done basically did everything. Killed all of them except the two.
こんなデタラメな力は多分マキマのだ。大丈夫な間に逃げるぞ。
殺したんじゃなかったのかよ。
Did she get him too? Oh. Yeah, what's her power? Oh, he saves her. Wow. And why the hell was she scared in the fucking hotel? Oh! Hey, she got my respect, dog. Is she like Buddy? Is she like Zenitsu? Like he falls asleep and you know, the second personality? Does she have like a second personality or something? Like, bro.
この間は殺そうとしてごめんね。ダメだ、ハイになっちゃってる。私をかばって。私のせい。
No, it's not.
そうだ、私。もうダメだ。この仕事してたらおかしくない。
Bro, but how did you talking about you can't do it? How did you just kill all like, bruh?
やめるって言おう。
Oh man, not knowing she did.
まどかくん、生きててよかった。得意科はどれくらい生きてる？
得意1課、2課、3課、4課、ともに銃撃に遭い、人外以外はほとんど全員死にました。
得意科だけを狙った銃での襲撃。銃の悪魔が関わっているだろうね。
上から通達です。人員不足のため、得意1課、2課、3課は4課と合併。以降、公安大麻得意4課を牧間さんの指揮下に置きます。あとこれを。
何？
僕の辞表です。
やめちゃうの？
得意課がきな臭くなってきました。やめるか殺されるかの二択ですよ。
Pussy.
最後に教えてください。牧間さんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか？
Right? Cause she knew their names.
公安の内部事情を教えられないな。まどかくん、今までありがとう。これ渡しておくね。
Man.
牧間さん、俺たち得意科に入るわけやないですからね。
指導に来ただけですからね。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから。
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
Man, yo. Man. Another crazy ass episode. Definitely enjoyed this. Let's go ahead, get into the breakdown. Alright, y'all. Episode was really good. You know, like it does every week, picks up from where we leave off last week. So getting to see a different kind of angle, I guess you could say, of Jimena and how she ended up dying and everything. And then actually getting to see what her last move was, and it was pulling the cord on Denji, bringing his ass back. So he goes crazy against the Katana Devil. He didn't, like, he's clearly overmatched. I'm guessing there's gonna be more that he can learn how to do and whatnot as time goes on with the Chainsaw Devil and everything, because the stuff the Katana Devil was doing, like, bruh, that was wild. Like, when he really was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this, he took that step back and whoosh, straight through him, and that was a wrap of Denji. So I'm assuming at some point he'll be able to learn how to do that, or some, something like that, with his chainsaws and everything. You get to see more of what happened with Makima. And you get to see all the other people who basically got shot as well from last week's episode. I knew she wasn't gonna be dead. Like I said, I haven't read anything, but I just knew she was too big of a character for us to lose her like that, especially because she, like, based on that episode where they were at the bar and everything, I'm pretty sure she really does know some stuff about Denji. And the Chainsaw Devil and everything, and especially with Buddy this week. I don't remember his name. We haven't seen him before, I don't believe, or maybe seen him once, I think, maybe at the dinner. But he basically, like, quit, and he asked her, he was like, how much of this did you predict was gonna happen? So, like, I know maybe she's connected. Oh, not I know. I'm guessing maybe she's connected with the previous group with the Gun Devil or something like that. It has to be for her to be able to know all of those people's names and everything, because it seems that her ability is basically get a person to say her name, say someone's name, and then she does that kind of stuff with her hands, and then like basically smashes the person to bits, and then the person who said the name also dies. So that's why she went and got the criminals and everything, so she could set that all up to be able to take out all those people in the city and whatnot, even though she wasn't even there. She was ways away, you know, after she got off the train and everything. So that was cool to see. I'm guessing we'll get more, more to actually see of her doing that, so we can really understand what her devil is and, you know, her abilities and all that kind of stuff. Because that girl, like I said, it has to be some kind of connection, because the girl, she knew it was Makima who was doing it, even though she was, you know, in the city and whatnot, nowhere near it. So that's crazy. Like, just like I said, more questions than answers. It keeps giving me more questions than answers for what's going on with the show. So I mean, I'm really enjoying it. The action, the twists and turns, has been great. So even with the chick who was like, what I talked about, who was like scared in the hotel and everything, and she kind of busted a move and did her own thing and everything. Like, what was to that, you know? Like I mentioned in it, I don't know if it'll get in there, but how she could it be like kind of like Zenitsu, how he falls asleep and then he goes crazy and whatnot? Is she like switching between the devil personality or something that allows her to, like, you know, go crazy and everything? Because the move she was pulling off, bro, like, come on, like, you know what I mean? Like, you sitting in a hotel scared and whatnot, crying and everything, trying to kill Denji, but you could bust out moves like that. So, you know, I'm assuming we'll see more with her, get more explanation about her and what she can do as time goes on, since they said at the end, the only people who are alive were basically like the people who weren't human. So fiends, people who had contracts with devils. Well, not, I wouldn't say contracts with devils, because Himena died. So maybe she can turn into the girl. Maybe she can turn into something like Denji can as well or something. So who knows? I mean, who knows? We'll see. You know, as time goes on, this episode's come out and everything. I'm super geeked to see, you know, what we actually get, the explanations for everything, why Denji's devil is so important, what all does Makima know, her powers and all that, the chick and her powers, Aki being alive, is there more to know about him? So I'm here for the ride, man. I'm here for a long time, man, a good time, man. So really enjoyed the episode. Cannot wait until next week. Hopefully we get more information about the other group, you know, because I want to see the Gun Devil, what he looks like, and how he's forming his group up, and why they want Denji's heart and everything. So yeah, man, great episode. Can't wait for next week. Make sure if you like this reaction, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more reactions and everything. Chainsaw Man, what else we doing? My Hero, Bleach, Shinobi no Itoki. Haven't, you know, new to it, so having some stuff with copyright, learning all about that. So sometimes videos might come down and might end up coming back up with stuff like even more stuff cut out or whatnot. Just bear with us as we it's a process, like we said, as we're learning and going through all of this. So I appreciate you all for tuning in. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well to get notified every time we drop a new video. Like I said, I appreciate you all for tuning in this week, and especially if you made it all the way to the end of the video. And I will see y'all in the next one.